Hello, welcome to the palm reading tutorial part 7. So in the previous one we have learned about the ring finger. So now we will move forward and learn about the little finger. And let's move. Now the people having the good quality or the having the positive impact of the little finger, they will have a good verbal communication skills and the practical sharp mind and the capacity to perform in a field such as business, politics and science. One needs very good communication skills and cunning mind to be successful in business, politics, and scientific or technical field. So here are one visual way how you can see if you have the little finger, the longer one or the smaller one, and it says that if the little finger is not going beyond the second phalange of the ring finger, then it is considered to be a small one. So if it is going above then second phalange of the ring finger, then it is considered to be a long little finger. Now the just the written information how you can analyze the your little finger. So it generally tells about the person having the sharp mind, and they are also a good speaker. And people with a long little finger that is reaching above the third joint are those who are good at politics, business and technical field, because they are good at taking benefits from the right situation, are generally called as cunning mind, and they possess good communication and convincing skills, as they use right word to mold people in their favor. And then friendship are also pay. Beside it, one more thing, I also sure that they have capacity to learn many languages, or you can say multilingual people having the good little finger. Now the small little finger tells not so convincing communication skills when it comes to speaking in front of many people and bringing them to support them. Like they find very difficult. Like people, this kind of people are not good in call center, as they lack sweet words and skill to do the magic. So they are not good enough to take benefits at the right times. So now the curved little finger increase the tendency to take benefits. Their skills with their tongue and the sharp mind are used in the bit wrong way. They can find shortcut anywhere. It does not necessarily mean that they cheat, but they are clever people for sure. They fond of playing tricks or other still and still people like them, and they call them naughty and this way. And now the little finger, if it is zigzag, then it tells a person use their speaking skills and cunning mind in the wrong way, that is cheating others and making fools of them. Successful cheaters also have a very good pleasant way of talking and sharp mind to find a way to fool others. Zigzag fingers never consider a right or wrong way to make income. So these are the people, like they will earn in a wrong way or right way also, but they do not consider whether I am doing a right thing or wrong thing. So this is the visual representation how a zigzag little finger look like. So friends, now we have learned about the index finger, saturn finger, ring finger, little finger. So in the next session we will be learning about the thumb, how thumb play a major role in your life. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and also follow my Instagram page, which is palm reading. Thank you for watching.